Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can unlink your external calendar like Google Calendar for instance with your account in the OneCalendar app. So let us begin. Alright, so navigate to the OneCalendar app, click into settings in the bottom right, choose accounts, and here click into the calendar you would like to unlink. For the sake of this tutorial I'm going to do this with my Google Calendar. Just click OK here. So what you want to do is click into remove account here. Now I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep that calendar also synchronized, as you can see, but you can do this by clicking into this button, and after that the given calendar will disappear from the list here, so that if you want or need, or if it's necessary, you need to re-add it to your list of linked calendars here through that menu. Select Google Calendar here, log into your Google account, and make sure that that you give it permission to allow OneCalendar to synchronize it. So that's it, guys. Just remember that if you unlink your external calendar, all entries that are from that external calendar will disappear from here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.